How to create Rednote account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have the latest version of Rednote application on your device. So let's just tap on the search bar and search for Rednote application on our device. Now here you can see we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to tap on open, and as we tap on open, it will take us to the user interface. So now it looks something like this. Now if you want to create an account, all we have to do is tap on the login option, but before that make sure to agree to the terms and conditions over here. So after that, tap on login, and as you tap on login, it will give us these reasons over here. So you can just go and read these ones. So you can go back and then tap on the login option. Now here you can log in either with your mobile number or your Google ID. So for here, I'm going to tap on the login phone number over here. So let's do this and then tap on the phone number and then tap on login. So it will send the code to the phone number. So just wait for a while until it sends the code to your device over here. So just tap on login and choose your gender and your age over here. I'm gonna select the gender over here and then tap on the age, then tap on next and select your interest. You have to select minimum 4 of the interest over here. I'm gonna select on any 4 of them and then tap on start exploring, and then you can follow people as well, and there you go, you have created Rednote account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.